Are you tired of throwing away old plastic jugs only to find yourself needing a new one just a few days later? Well, don't throw those away. Instead, let's turn them into something amazing. Today we are going to share 7 genius hacks to help you get the most out of your old milk carton, juice bottle, or soda pop bottles. From simple organization to unique decor, these hacks will not only save you money, but also reduce waste. You'll be surprised at how easy it is to transform these everyday items into something special. Do you have a bunch of plastic bottles piling up but don't know what to do with them? Well, instead of tossing them in the trash, why not give them a second life with our incredible DIY projects? No matter if you're looking to organize your space, add some fun decor, or even create useful gifts, we've got you covered. So grab your bottles and let's get crafty. We have 7 amazing DIY projects to inspire you to reuse those plastic bottles and reduce waste. So let's dive right in. Plastic bottle storage organizer. Are you tired of losing screws, nails, and other small hardware around your garage or workshop? This plastic bottle organizer is the perfect solution. All you need is a plastic bottle, some wire, a nail, and a hammer. Simply cut the bottom part of the plastic bottle, make a hole near the top and push the wire through. Then use the nail and hammer to make a hole in the wall and hang your organizer. It's that simple. You can use it to store all sorts of small items, from nails to fishing hooks. Not only is this organizer functional, but it's also made from recycled materials, making it an eco-friendly option for the conscious crafter. Plastic bottle garden planter. Looking to add some greenery to your home but struggling to find space? Look no further than this plastic bottle garden planter. All you need is a plastic bottle and a pencil. Take a plastic bottle and cut it lengthwise. Then use the pencil to make holes around the edge of the bottle. This creates a unique hanging planter that looks great indoors or out. Fill it with soil and your favorite plants and hang it anywhere you want to add a touch of green. This simple hack not only helps you reuse plastic bottles, but it also provides an affordable and stylish way to bring nature indoors. Whether you're growing herbs, succulents, or flowers, this plastic bottle planter is sure to be a hit. Plastic bottle rope basket. Need a stylish and eco-friendly way to store your toys, blankets, or magazines? Try making a rope basket out of plastic bottles. All you need is plastic bottles, scissors, a needle, and thread. Cut the bottles into thin strips and then start braiding them together. Continue braiding until you have a long piece of rope. Securely tie the ends together, and then use the needle and thread to finish the job. You've now created a sturdy and attractive basket that's perfect for any room in your home. Plus, you'll feel good knowing that you're reducing waste by giving new life to plastic bottles. This versatile hack allows you to customize the size and shape of your basket, making it perfect for any need or space. And if you're feeling creative, you can even add some color to your rope by using different colored bottles. Plastic bottle pencil holder. Do you hate the clutter of pens, pencils, and markers lying around your home or office? This plastic bottle pencil holder is the perfect solution. All you need is a plastic bottle and some clear sticky tape. Cut the bottle into a desired shape, such as a triangle or circle, and wrap the edges with clear sticky tape to prevent any rough edges. Now simply place your writing utensils inside and enjoy a clutter-free workspace while giving old plastic bottles a new purpose. This simple yet effective hack is not only functional, but also adds a touch of creativity to your desk. Plus, it's easy to make and can be customized to fit any aesthetic. No-sew fleece blanket. If you're looking for a cozy and sustainable DIY project, consider making a no-sew fleece blanket using plastic bottles. All you need is a pair of scissors and some fleece material. Cut the plastic bottles into small pieces, then arrange them in a pattern on your fleece material. Overlap the pieces slightly and cut around them, leaving a half-inch border. Fold the border over twice to create a hem and tie the ends together using a secure knot. Continue this process until you have a complete blanket. This unique fabric has a soft and fuzzy texture that's perfect for snuggling up on the couch. It's also highly durable, making it ideal for outdoor use. Plus, you'll be reducing waste by giving new life to plastic bottles. Plastic bottle lamp. Create a unique and eco-friendly lamp by using a plastic bottle. All you need is a plastic bottle, a glass jar, and a light bulb. Cut the top part of the plastic bottle and clean it thoroughly. Remove the jar lid and place the bottle upside down into the jar. The narrow neck of the bottle should fit tightly in the opening of the jar. Insert the light bulb and plug it into the socket. This simple hack gives your old plastic bottle a new purpose while adding a rustic charm to your living space. You can even get creative and decorate the outside of the jar to match your personal style. This plastic bottle lamp is not only energy efficient, but also helps reduce waste. Plastic bottle wind spinner. This simple hack is a fun and colorful way to recycle plastic bottles. To make a wind spinner, you'll need several plastic bottles, a metal or wooden stake, and some string or yarn. Cut the bottles into thin strips and then tie them together in a bundle. Securely attach the bundle to the stake using string or yarn and then hang the wind spinner from a tree or porch. The wind spinner will spin and twirl in the breeze, creating a whimsical addition to any outdoor space. This hack is not only a great way to recycle plastic bottles, but it's also a fun activity for kids to enjoy. Plus, it's a great conversation starter and will surely impress your guests. If you enjoyed these hacks, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY videos. We have many more videos with clever ways to reuse common household items, so don't forget to check them out. Thank you for watching.